Okay guys, here's the quick setup. We're looking at Apple. This is the 10-minute chart. This is the bearish engulfing candle. We're trying to get either a close over or under to determine near term price direction, trend direction. And what we're looking for, to be honest with you here, the markets are selling off some, but we're looking for a possible intraday rally or an oversold bounce to the high side, and possibly a bounce off of some of these low pivot areas. So that's what we'll be doing here, trying to catch the bottom, which is, in a down market is a little bit tougher to do than if you're running to the high side. If we were, pumped to the high side, it's real easy to get on the trend and move up, but just doing this to show how these certain areas you can get a intraday rally and go against the grain, go against the trend, for a quick day trade here. And it's just anyway, just to get that shown on here, kind of on video. That's what we're trying to do this morning. So let me put you on pause. That's the setup we're looking for. This 200 has been resistance, so we'll see if we can get a run up to that level here, from a bounce off one of these pivot levels, as well. So let me raise this up. This is always fluid. Things are always moving and changing. We have about 2 more minutes left on this chart. So if we get over this high pivot again, that's where we will take a long position. Okay, just want to give you the setup here before it happens, to show you what the anticipation is and what we'll be doing. If it falls to the downside, then obviously we'll just put that on hold and go to the next setup. Okay, and let me pause this video, and then we'll pick it up when the play is about to take action. Okay, as you can see, we're coming down, retesting this low pivot area. Well, I turned it on, it bounced, but we were right on that blue dash line on the bottom, kind of, like right here. We have about 1 more second to go. Now we're starting a new candle for the 10-minute chart here. Here we go. We'll see. Looks like there's a little bit more downside to come, so we might have to put our low pivot bounce potential a little lower here. Maybe try to catch it on the downside. We really want it to come up, start trading up and over the top pivot up here. And as you can see, we're just kind of a inside bar pattern across the tight consolidation in this top price range. This one popped up earlier, but we were distracted with crypto, so I didn't catch it. So anyway, we're hoping for another test up into this area. Okay, so that's kind of what drew us to this particular chart at this time. Okay, but not a lot of follow through, sell pressure to the downside. We didn't get it on this candle. Of course, we on the previous candle. However, on this one, we still have 8 minutes to go. So yeah, we could fall to the downside. Nothing counts until that candle closes. Okay, and then we'll go from there. So to say we don't have follow through. Whoa, here we go. Let's see if we can get some consistent. I'm going to switch to a 2-minute chart. When I switch over here, each candle is 2 minutes of price action. I want to sync it up with this blue dash line, and see if we can get a pop to the upside on the 2-minute chart. That might be the way we have to go. Okay. All right, here we are, and we're above the 200 and the. Okay, let's see if we get a pop above this candle, and just I said that it took it. Here we go. Okay, we're in at 248.61, and we'll see if we can drive this up. Okay, right now and then I'm going to put my stop under this candle. Okay, and we're looking for let's see what the next high pivot is. It might be the top of this candle here. Okay, we'll just keep riding this. We have our stop loss here in case it goes sideways. Matter of fact, I'm going to take that off, and I will get out if we come back to our initial price in there at 248.62. And we might get out. It looks like it's fighting. We're at the top of this topping tail here. If you can see that fine green line. Okay, we're out. Okay, that's okay. That was awesome. Okay, this is how you do it. Now, we'll probably roll over to the downside since I got out. Okay, let's see where we are. Oh wow, see now. Okay, that's generally what I once you get out, it'll keep going or roll over. But that wasn't bad. Price action there. Let's finish this up. It still has 7 more seconds to go, and we'll see where we are. So anyway, I just wanted to put that up, show you how we put the play action together. Okay, it gap down on the. Okay, here we go. It's coming back in. It looks like. But I wanted to, give an example of, how the setup is done. We just don't come in and, start, clicking away, and, making calls and doing things like this. There's always a reason for it, a setup. And this, and another thing, this is just like the daily chart. What I mean is all these candles, the formations, the candles, the price action, what you see on that 2-minute chart. This is a 2-minute chart. Each candle is 2 minutes of price action. The same setup, the same pivots, the same supports, the same everything you can see on a weekly chart, daily chart, 10-minute chart, whatever. Okay. And just wanted to, also, mention that too, because it's the same no matter what. If you know these, patterns, candles, price setups, all that, you can do it on any chart anytime. Okay. All right. As always, appreciate you guys being members, and we will see you on the charts.